morning students, my name is Gagandeep Kaur. We are doing unit number 2 master typing, and in this video we will be covering 3 sessions. Session number 2 working with the rapid typing software, session number 3 viewing the statistics, and session number 4 working with the lesson editor. So let's start with working on the rapid typing software. You have seen this window before, so let's start with the rapid typing. So first of all, we have to select this option, that is current lesson, already selected. From here you will choose one lesson. You will select your course, introduction, beginner, experienced, advanced or testing. We will go with the introduction. Now from here you will choose your lesson, the basic lesson, the shift key lesson, the digit lesson, the numeric pad lesson. Now the thing is, if you want to mastering the typing, so what you have to do is you should start with the lesson 1 and follow all the lessons. So let's start with lesson 1. So now place your fingers on your keyboard likewise placed on the virtual keyboard, like index finger on F, then middle finger on D, then next finger on S, and last little finger on A. So this is how the placement should be done of the left hand. And for the right hand, place your index finger on the J, middle finger on K, the next finger on L, and the little finger on colon and semicolon. So this is the placement of your fingers on the keyboard. So now let's start typing. Now you can see there is this space between. That means you have to press space after each key. So put your thumb on the space. F space J space D space K space F, then space J, D space K space F space J space D space K, wrong, K, then space F, then space J, space D, space K. Now my lesson is complete. After completing the lesson, they show you this window. So here you can see your overall performance. My overall rating is excellent. My speed was 45 words per minute and my accuracy is 93% as I have pressed one letter wrong, and slow down 0% word. That means throughout the lesson my speed was maintained. Okay, so after this you can go to the next lesson or you can try again. So it's your wish what you want to do, and click on go on. Okay, so when you are working and you want to restart a lesson or you want to pause the lesson, so this is for start. You have to click this and the lesson will be started. This show the time taken during the lesson, and this is for restarting. And when you are like hovering your cursor over it, you can see the shortcuts with everything. Like restart the lesson, the shortcut is F8, and to open the current lesson it is control plus 1, and then for statistics control plus 2, and for lesson editor control plus 3. So from here you can learn the shortcuts also. So you are familiar with this window. This window show the statistics of your lesson which you have done recently. So this is the first thing, it is the overall rating, that is 100%. This is the KPM, keystroke per minute. You can change it to word per minute, you can change it to character per minute or keystroke per minute. By default it comes like word per minute. Then it comes accuracy of words, characters and keystrokes. Only 3 things are there: words, characters and keystrokes. So we can change accordingly. Now again I had one mistake, so it is 93% accurate. Last is slow down, accuracy, word, character or the keystroke if I have like slow down somewhere. Now we have 3 tabs here. One is next step, is in which we have 2 options: go to the next lesson or try again. Next is detailed statistics. So detailed statistics show you all the above result in the graphical form. The next is error overview. Error overview show you which character you have pressed wrong. So I have pressed S wrong, otherwise all the characters are correctly pressed. So this is how you can view your statistics. We can analyze the student statistics in the rapid typing software. To do that, we will click on this option, that is student statistics. From here, first of all, we can create our student account, student name and password. Why we do this is so that we can just simply view only our statistics, and these statistics show the overall performance. It's not about only single lesson, it shows the performance of the whole, all lessons. Here we have three things: students toolbar, students account, and the property panel. This is the student account panel. Here you can see the name of the students. Right now here is only one student, and you can create a new student and password from here. The next is a statistic panel. So the first option here is statistic toolbar. So here you can, this is your statistic toolbar. From here you can choose of which lesson you want to view the statistics. But the thing is, right now I have attempted only the introduction one, so the introduction is highlighted and it is viewing for the introduction only. The next thing is course diagram and statistics. This is the course diagram and statistics. The next is lesson diagram and statistics. Now this data is being represented in the form of graphs here. The next thing here is our statistics, lesson statistics. Now it is viewing the lesson statistic of lesson 1. If I want to view how many lessons I have attempted today and what all mistakes I have done, I will click on the day statistics. Now it is mentioning that June 15 and my overall rating is 100%. My speed was 39 and accuracy is 96.7, and total attempt I have made is 2, and lesson completed is 2, and time spent on the both lesson is 50. That means you can see how much you have done in a single day from here. The last option on the title bar is of lesson editor. Lesson editor is very flexible. It helps you to create your own lesson. It helps you to delete a lesson, create a lesson, insert a new course. So to do that, if you want to see the course menu, this is the course menu, and here you can create a new course. I will create a new course. I will give it a name. Afterwards, from here you can create a new section or new lesson. I will create a new lesson in rapid typing and I will give it a name lesson 1, and this is your window on which you are going to type your lesson. So you can type the single words, you can type the characters, you can type the full lines. Likewise, I will type here lesson editor offers flexibility to the users. Now you can see from here it's showing how many E's, S, O, T I have used, how many characters I have used, how many times. So E I have used 5 times, S 5 times, O 4 times. So this is how the lesson editor works. And if you want to delete a lesson from here, you will simply right click on it and click on the delete option. So your lesson will be deleted. Similarly, you can delete your course also, like this. This was your chapter of rapid typing. If you want to improve your typing, you have to start working. So type according to the rules and how it is shown, what is the base position you should know, so that you can work properly. Thank you.